Hello and welcome. This is Michelle. Thanks for stopping by my channel, Paper Stamp Ink, today, where I will share with you tips, techniques, and tutorials to inspire you in your own paper crafting projects. So if that sounds like something that would benefit you, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, tap the bell to get notifications of future videos. I am coming to you with something a little bit different than a tutorial today, in that I am going to share with you the papers that are being released in the new Occasions catalog from Stampin' Up. This catalog will be released on January 3rd, and it's got a lot of great stuff in there. Unfortunately, I can't show you the inside of the catalog, but I can share with you the products that I have on hand. I had a previous video where I shared some unboxing of some of those items, so I'll link that below if you'd like to take a look at that. And it's also Saleabration. So we're going to share the, some of the papers from the Saleabration catalog as well. Now, remember, this is a great time to make purchases from Stampin' Up! During Saleabration, because for every $50 you spend on the catalog purchases, you can receive free products. So, who likes free? I like free, so it's a good time. It's also a great time to become a demonstrator if you've ever thought about it. For only $99, you get $175 worth of products, so you can't beat that deal. Let me know if you're interested in being a part of my team. I'd love to share with you how you can go about doing that and help you with your own business or being a hobbyist demonstrator. So let's go ahead and get into the papers. We're going to share the All My Love Designer Series paper, and of course all of our Designer Series paper is double-sided, and so there are 12 different designs in here, 6 different sheets. When you get a paper share from me, that allows you to get a little bit of a lot of papers for a reduced price. So, for example, these shares that I'm going to share with you, you would spend over $80 just to get these items in full packs, and we're going to do that at a much better price point. I have a couple of different options for you, and I'll share those at the end of the video. So let's jump into the papers. All My Love. I love this gorgeous, I just like that pink and the brown. I think they're just beautiful. And of course we've got our back side. Now this is called All My Love, but I really think these papers, most of them can be used for pretty much any occasion. I mean, even these, they're hearts, but I think they don't necessarily scream heart to me if I was not looking for that. And we've got this one, the floral. I love this tone-on-tone pattern, and just this very pale pink in there. And isn't this beautiful? The roses turn into hearts, and these little bitty hearts. The next one I want to share with you is the Floral Romance. Now this is a specialty paper in that half of the papers are vellum and the other half are cardstock. So let's go ahead and share the vellum pieces. Here's a beautiful pale pink floral design, and then we've got these leaves and floral patterns. I think these would go great with a tropical chic set too. Think about that. And then these are our 2 sheets of cardstock. Now, because I divide my shares into 8ths, so everybody gets 1/8 of a full pack, you'll get a couple of bonus sheets because there are only 4 different patterns in that. So you'll get 2 different bonus sheets, a selection of the vellum and a selection of the cardstock. And those will vary by packet. And we've got How Sweet It Is. And so these are great, I think, kid birthday. These just scream kid's birthday party to me. But then again, they've done some beautiful tone-on-tone or patterns for us that really can go for any occasion. There is a stamp set and die set that coordinates with this, coming out in the Occasions catalog as well. Aren't those cute, those little gummy bears? Yeah, and I think that color's beautiful for spring. And then we have our cupcakes and lollipops and a nice another tone-on-tone. And let's go ahead and jump into our needlepoint nook. Now these, I think, are just so cool what they've done with these designs. This one's a little butterfly and floral in a stitched pattern, and try and hold these up so you guys can get a better look. These are all needlecraft related. It looks like 3D stitching on those. These ones in particular, I think, really showcase that needlecraft look. Let me know if you are a embroiderer or do other needlecrafts. That's an area I haven't done too much in. I've done a little bit of cross stitching. Never did much in the way of embroidery or other needlecrafts, so I'm impressed by people who can do that kind of thing, knitting or crocheting as well. So these are, again, some great detail in that paper. Then we have our gingham gala. These are just so cute. Great for spring papers. I mean, you know, you can always use a check pattern. And these have a larger print on one side and a smaller print on the other. So you're going to get 5 of those sheets. Now, if you're looking for something for masculine cards, this Classic Garage is a great paper set. Now, it does have so many different patterns in there that there are not as many shares available in there without breaking it down a little bit more. So there are going to be, what, 12 sheets that I'm going to show you with 24 patterns, and to equal out those shares, you would get 6 of those. So there'll be a selection of these that you'd receive in your kit, and I will try to divide those up fairly. So it's nuts and bolts. I love just got that little bit of texture on the back side there. Your oil and gas cans. Now, all of these papers, when you get them from me on a paper share, they will come in their own clear bags, and you will have the name of this paper set, as well as all of the colors that coordinate with that paper set, to make it easy for you to grab papers from your stash that are going to coordinate easily. These motorcycles are so much fun. Got these designs and this nice tone and tone. Classic cars. Another tone and tone. Steering wheels. And the gray. There's just so much variety in this pack. It's a great one to get. And last one for that. I love these tire tracks, skid marks on there, and some hubcaps or wheels. So the last one we're going to go over is Happiness Blooms. And these are some great, like, modern style patterns, I would say. And they're ones that will go with a lot of variety of cards. So let's take a look. I love this color, just bold pattern there. And such cheerful, cheerful flowers. You know, I usually at this time I'm going, man, I'm ready for spring, but in my area, I live in Montana, and we have, in part of the state I live in, hardly had any snow yet this year. It's very unusual. We do need to get some of that for the moisture, but I can't really say I'm complaining looking for spring, because winter hasn't really hit yet in our neck of the woods. Okay, and this has got to be one of my favorites. Now, the next one I'm going to show to you is only available as a free item from Saleabration, but as a thank you from me for ordering a paper share, you are going to get a share of the butterfly gala, or botanical butterfly. I can't remember for sure the name on there. I think it might be botanical butterfly. There's a whole suite of products that go with this paper, and there's a punch and just all sorts of great things. You're gonna see a lot of that from me, I'm sure. And these papers all have a black and white side, just very classic. You can always use black and white papers. If you want to color some of those that have butterflies on the other side, you can. It's great for coloring in. Look at that. Wouldn't that just be gorgeous? You could highlight just some of the elements in there to make it pop. We got our tone on tone purple, and then again black and white. This is, I think, got to be one of my favorites. Just makes me want to go out and hiking and camping and get out there in nature. And then we've got these last gorgeous butterflies in a gingham black and white. So the great thing is with these papers, some of the butterflies on there will actually coordinate with our punch that is coming out in this new catalog. So you might want to put that on your wish list. So we've got our paper share. I have 2 other items that will be in there as a thank you. I just don't have my hands on them yet. There's this beautiful foil paper that's going to be included, and that comes in two colors, and let's grab that. It's Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick. So you will get 1 6x6 sheet of each of those. So in this paper share, you are going to get a total of 49 sheets of 6x6 paper. And I'm also going to show you over a PDF when you order from me that will give you some ideas on how to cut down your 6x6 paper and do a 6x6 one sheet wonder, where you can really make this paper go farther. Now, when you get them, again, they'll be all packaged in clear bags with the name of the stamp set, the item number if you want to place an order, so you have that handy, as well as the coordinating colors. I have this option, which is a single share that has the 49 sheets in it, and that is $21. Now, that includes your shipping and handling and taxes, so that's a great deal. Like I said, it'd be over $80 to buy all of these individually, and that's not even including the free Saleabration items that are being thrown in there. So if you want to get more paper, I am also offering a double share. And so a double share would include twice all of those papers in the DSP line. You'll receive just the same amount for the thank yous with the butterfly gala and the foil paper from me. So you get 90 sheets of paper. Again, shipping and tax are included, and that is $30 for that option. And the last option that you can order, I'm going to be making these for my team members, is you can order a swatch book. So a swatch book is going to be a 2x6 sheet of paper. They will be all bound together with a brad and hole punch, so you have easy reference to all of those. You can keep it on hand and see all the papers that are available. I will also have tags with the coordinating colors and the name of the stamp set as well, and that is $14 to get the swatch book, and that again will include your shipping and handling when you order it with one of the other items. If you like to order it individually without the ordering one of the full sheets, then it is going to be $16 to include the shipping and handling on that. So just to recap, $21 for a single share, $30 for a double share, $14 when you get that swatch sampler added onto your order, or $16 if you want to order that individually. Now, how do you go about ordering? You're going to shoot me an email at paperstampinc@gmail.com, and I will send you back a PayPal invoice. I do need those to be paid by the end of the day. So by midnight, I'm in Mountain Time, so midnight my time on the 2nd of January, so I can place my order first thing January 3rd to get those items here. I expect to have them out to you by the 15th of the month, hopefully earlier, but you should see those by January 15th, and I'll keep you apprised if there are any back orders or slow shipping going on to make sure that you know when your order's coming out. So thanks again for staying with me. I know this was a little bit longer video. I hope that this helped you to see what products are out there, and if you want to go ahead and order some of those full packs of paper on January 3rd, I sure would appreciate it if you would go to my page and support me as a demonstrator. It allows me to continue to provide tutorials for you. If you don't already have a demonstrator, I'd love to earn your business, and if you'd like to get a catalog and do not have a current demonstrator, if you're in the US, let me know and I can send these out. So this paper share is unfortunately only available in the US for my US customers. I hope that this, however, shared with you, if you're not in the United States, some great ideas of what papers are out there.